Hey traders, welcome to the Science on Forex YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to become a profitable trader by explaining multi-time frame technical analysis and order flow perspective. Now, not waste any more time, let's go to the strength in the chart to find some good trading opportunities. Okay, so today I am going to talk about GBP USD and the reason for which I want to break down GBP USD because we are very near to having a good trading opportunities obviously capitalize on GBP USD. So I want to create full breakdown that usual I will be keeping as educational as possible. So first of all I speaking about the technical aspect of this market. So I will be breaking down the technical for GBP USD and we will then go and see what we have from commitment of trader perspective, which is hedge fund are currently doing in the market, and obviously it will help to you how to combine technical analysis and sentiment analysis correctly. By the end of video, by using the combination of our technical and order flow perspective, we will be able to understand where are the best probabilities for the next movement on the GBP USD. Okay, let's jump into the chart. Now starting from the monthly time frame, what we can see in the market. Now generally speaking in the market, if we have impulsive move, what we will expect? It should be create corrective pattern. After that, it should create another impulsive move continues to the upside, especially for the creation of higher high, completion of impulse correction and impulse pattern. This is market exactly did. Market just completed impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside and just printed the higher high. Important rule which is if created higher high and if resistance area is broken down to the upside, that point this previous resistance is turned into the support. So what we can expect that market retests on the new support area and continues to the upside. So in the monthly time frame everything quite bullish, but we do expect a short term move to the downside, go and retest this demand before creating continuous to the upside. Going down in the weekly time frame, what we do see in the weekly time frame, now market tested nicely weekly support area which is turned into the resistance because we expect to going down to the downside. As well as another important point is after completed impulse correction and impulse pattern, market should move to the downside creating corrective pattern or impulse movement. In the monthly and weekly time frame potentially move to the downside in the short term. Let's go down in the daily time frame and see what we have from daily perspective. Now here on the daily time frame, what we have see the market is currently market tested nice resistance area and it was created nice liquidity areas on these areas because market should definitely come to the downside and grab liquidities continuous to the upside. Sometime market can create another higher high and collect liquidities and go down here. In monthly, weekly and daily time frames are also showing potentially move to the downside. Now if we going to see quote perspective which is hedge fund are currently doing, what we can see the last report net position has decreased net position from 13.7k to 7.9k with added 7k short and only 1.4k long. But don't misunderstand GBP USD commitment of trader data. Net position has increased from minus 17k to plus 8k because market should move to the upside after creation of the corrective pattern on monthly and weekly time frame. Monthly, weekly and daily time frame combined with the quote data are the best time frame for the measure direction of the market. When we come to the confirmation and enter to the trade, the best time frame is the 4-hour time frame. So what we will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective in this area. Currently we have 4-hour bullish market waiting for the convert 4-hour bullish market to the 4-hour bearish market for the enter to the sell trade. Trading is a risky business. Please be careful with your money. If enjoy the video, make sure press like button and comment below. Literally that it will support the creation more video, improve your knowledge. We will see you next video. Thank you.